Car batteries are commonly labeled as 12 volts, but in reality, with the car engine off, a properly charged battery can provide anything between 12.44 to 12.66 volts. With the engine on, the battery is charged by the alternator. During this, the car battery typically shows a voltage reading between 13 to 15 volts. When cranking the engine, the voltage temporarily surges to 15 volts and then settles to a level above 14 volts. With the car engine off, if the voltage reading falls below 11.8 volts, it signals a weak battery, while anything below 11.3 volts indicates a problematic battery cell. In the cranking process, a good battery should maintain a voltage above 12 volts. However, a bad battery will drop below 11.3 volts, and in some cases, it may even go as low as 8.3 volts. For a car battery with 0 to 25% charge, you can expect a consistent voltage reading ranging from 11.8 to 12 volts. As the charge increases to 50%, the battery will display a voltage between 12 to 12.44. Moving up to 75% charge, the battery's voltage will peak at around 12.6 volts, and with a full 100% charge, the maximum battery voltage reaches 12.88 volts. A petrol engine can require anything from 100 to 300 amps to crank and start. For car batteries, this is commonly referred to as the crank amp rating, or more commonly, cold crank amps (CCA). CCA measures a battery's ability to deliver a specific amount of amps for at least 30 seconds at -17.8 degrees Celsius. The higher the CCA value, the better the battery performs. An alternate standard for CCA is the European norm EN. With the engine on, the alternator charges the car battery at about 5 to 6 amps per hour. This highly depends on the car and battery make and model. The battery amp hours is a measure of a battery's ability to deliver a fixed amp for an hour. For instance, a 32Ah battery can provide 32 amps for 1 hour before being completely discharged. Similarly, a 72 amp hour battery can deliver 72 amps for 1 hour. It can also deliver 36 amps for 2 hours or 18 amps for 4 hours. The energy stored in the battery is expressed in watt-hours. This signifies the energy the battery delivers in a 1-hour period. For instance, a 12-volt battery providing 50 amps per hour will have an energy output of 600 watt-hours or 0.6 kilowatt-hours. Understanding these measurements allows us to grasp the energy capacity of the battery, providing valuable information about its performance and endurance.